how to custom homepage on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to custom homepage on Samsung internet browser. First then open it and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then scroll down. Here you will find the home page. Click on it, and if you want to custom home page, just click custom page here and add any web address you want and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.